This will be a speed test between the iPhone XS Plus versus the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Now the XS Plus, this one has the A12 Bionic chip and 4 gigs of RAM. Galaxy Note 9 has the Snapdragon 845, and this one has a whopping 512 gigs of storage and 8 gigs of RAM. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. Woo! Now that boot up was way too close to call. You guys are the judges. And we are in. There's nothing open in the background on both. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Very close. Messages. Maybe the XS. Camera. Very close. Clock on both phones. Start the stopwatch on this and leave that running in the background. Safari and Samsung Internet. Let's go. Search for GSM Arena on this. Let's go. Looking at the progress bar. And the Note 9's out in front. Give that to the Note 9. Scroll through this. And go to the desktop version. Let's go. Looking at the progress bar again. And give this to the Note 9. Pinch to zoom. Give you an idea of its performance. And leave this right there. Calculator on both. Very close. Maybe a draw on that one. App Store and Play Store. Let's go. Give that to the Note 9. Search for Lyft. Leave it on that page. Amazon. Let's go. Very close. You guys are the judges. Click on the deal of the day. Leave it on that page. eBay on both. Give that to the Note 9. Click on this Xbox. Leave it right there. NFL app. Give that to the XS. Baseball. And give this to the XS. Super Mario Run. Loading on a Note 9. Will the XS catch up? And give this to the Note 9. XS a little bit faster running the game. And leave that in the background. Subway Surf. Ooh, give this to the XS. Tap play. Close it out. Temple Run 2. Temple Run 2 Pirate Cove. Looks like the XS is out in front by a little bit. We'll confirm that right now. And give this to the XS. Tap play. And we'll leave it right there. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Let's go. Looking at the progress bar. Note 9 is ahead. And give this to the Note 9. Fortnite, let's go. And give this to the XS. Twitter on both phones. Note 9. Little bit of a delay on the XS. Instagram. Note 9 again. And Snapchat. Note 9. So let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything is in the background, as you can see. So let's just see what happens right now. Starting with Instagram. Still in RAM. Twitter on both. Good to go. Fortnite. Ready to resume on both. San Andreas. Good to go. Paused and ready to resume on both. Subway Surf. Paused and ready to resume also. Super Mario Run. Good to go. Baseball. same place. NFL, same place. eBay, same place. Amazon, still in RAM. Still on Lyft, calculator, good to go. The browsers, still on GSM Arena. Are both phones gonna run the table? Clock, still running the stopwatch. The camera on both. You guys are the judges. Messages. And the phone app, boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this classic matchup. Are you an Apple iSheep rocking the brand new iPhone XS or XS Max with a notch and no headphone jack and no headphone adapter in the box and a slow charging brick? Or are you a Samsung Knight rocking this fully spec'd out Galaxy Note 9 with 512 gigs of storage and 8 gigs of RAM, no notch, has a headphone jack, has a pen inside of it, and a massive 4000 mAh battery? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.